In this lecture, we will see how to find limit of function. We'll see three different types. First type is direct substitution method. Second type is indeterminate form 0 by 0, and type 3 is indeterminate form infinity by infinity. So first is direct substitution method. Here, if f1 and f2a are finite real numbers and f2a is not equal to 0, if these two are the condition, then when we evaluate this type of limit, you just put x is equal to a and you will get answer. Okay. For example, let us see this example. Here, limit x tends to 2 4x minus 1 by putting x is equal to 2 directly, and after calculation we get the value 7. Similarly, in this case, the limit is x is equal to 1, x tends to 1, so by putting x is equal to 1, we get this answer. Now let us see in this example, limit x tends to 3, x square minus 1 by x plus 3, again by putting x is equal to 3, and simplification, simply we get value 4 by 3. This seems to be difficult, but it's easy. Again, put x is equal to 3 over here directly and do this calculation, simplification, and we get the value 5 by 2. So using that method, you can try this example. Here you put x is equal to 2, here you put x is equal to minus 1, here you put x is equal to 0, here you put x is equal to 5, and here you put x is equal to 3 directly, and after simplification you get the answer. Now the second type is indeterminate form. Whenever we try to put value x is equal to a, we get directly, we get 0 by 0. So here it is not possible by putting the value directly. We use factorization method or any other method. This is important formula. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, and these two are also important. We'll use these formulas later on. Now just see this example. Here, if you put x is equal to 0 over here, you get 0 by 0. So direct substitution is not possible. So in this case, we multiply this expression by this expression under root x plus 1 divided by under root x plus 1. Here you note it is written minus, here it is plus, and we apply the formula a minus b into a plus b as a square minus b square, and under root is cancelled with 2, you will left with this, and 1 and 1 cancel, so you will left with this, and this x will get cancelled, and now put the value x is equal to 0, you get the value 1 by 2. Again, in this case, you just see this example. If you put x is equal to 3, you will get 0 divided by 0. So direct substitution is not possible. So we factorize this x square minus 5x plus 6 as a can be written as x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. Now from here, first two x is taken common, in last two minus 3 is taken common, and from this two expression we take x minus 2 common, so we get x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now putting these values over here, in place of this we put these values, and x minus 3 get cancelled, so we left with x tends to 3x minus 2, and now put the value, so you get the value as a 1. Now this is also the case of 0 by 0. Here we apply the formula a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b, and the second expression, this can be written as like this, and from this two we take common under root x minus 1, and this will be cancelled with the expression in the denominator. You will left with this expression. Now put x is equal to 1, there is a no problem, you get under root 2 minus 0, that is final answer is under root 2. This also the same type, you can multiply by 1 plus under root x minus 1 minus x by 1 plus under root 1 minus x. Just simplify this, x and x get cancelled, you will left with the answer is a 2. Now these are the exercise you can try. Here you write x plus 2 and x minus 2. Here you apply the formula a square minus b square, so it becomes x plus 3 into x minus 3 and get cancelled. In this you can take common x square from this two term, and from here minus 1 you can take common and you can cancel, and from here you write this is x square minus 4 square. This will become x plus 1 into x plus 4 upon x minus 4, and after simplification you can get the answer very easily. Now this is the third type, it is infinity by infinity. So if you put directly x is equal to infinity, you get the term infinity by infinity, so direct substitution is not possible. So let us see this example how to deal with this. You divide this expression with x because the highest power is x, so we divide, so we get 1 upon 1 plus x divided by 2 minus 5 by x, and when you put x is equal to infinity, this term 1 plus x becomes 0, 5 by x becomes 0 as x tends to infinity, so we're left with 1 plus 0 upon 2 minus 0 is a 1 by 2. In this example also, this is infinity by infinity term will come, so we divide by x cube. Why we are dividing by x cube? Because x cube is the highest power, so you will left with this expression. And now from here, when you'll put x tends to infinity, all these terms, these two terms will become 0, and you will left with 1 minus 0 plus 0 upon 4 minus 0 plus 0, and you'll get final answer is a 1 by 4. So by this way, these three types of examples can be dealt with. Thank you very much.